Okay guys, my PVR still isn't working. Demolition on Dome. First map. It's first map and second map. There he is right there. Mavericks, Mr. Callouts. I'll show you here. There's Mavericks. There's me. Okay. I'll just speed up this little process for you. He disputed because he said I was camping. I kind of sat up top for the beginning of his first game, but he eventually gets me on defense. But I went offense too. We both went offense on this map. And right here he knifes me about 4 times in a row. It is insane. Or maybe not right now. Yeah. Never mind. That was before that or something. I don't even remember. But he knifed me a lot at one point. Okay, 1-1. Planted the bomb in overtime, laid down in this corner, turned around and killed him. That was it. He didn't even try again the rest of this game. 2-1. I win. Victory. There it is. 2-1, Mr. Callouts Mavericks. That is first map. Thank you very much.